Welcome back to Fall in the Field. I'm standing on the other side of the Hyatt Dam at Keene Creek. Now that we've made observations from above, we're going to explore the Hyatt Reservoir Watershed. What is a watershed? Pause the video and write down what you think the definition of a watershed is. Let's break down the word watershed. When we think of the definition of shed, we can think of a building that stores tools or other things, or the way a dog sheds its fur. When we think of a watershed, we aren't thinking of a building that stores water, but the way water sheds off of natural features like mountains and hills. I have a fun dance to help us remember the definition of a watershed. Go ahead and stand on up and follow along. Ready? All right. A watershed is an area of land that drains down to a low point. One more time. A watershed is an area of land that drains down to a low point. Awesome dance moves. Go ahead and take a seat. Here is a graphic of how a watershed works. The dotted white line represents the boundary of the watershed. All snowmelt and precipitation move downhill, represented by these arrows, and collect in the lowest point. Everything within this area is part of the watershed. That includes you and me. We are always in a watershed. As you can see, farms, wetlands, cities, the dam, forests, everything that's human-made and naturally made lie within the watershed. Pause the video and answer the question on your student response page. How do humans impact the watershed? We will discuss this question in a later video. The Hyatt Reservoir Watershed lies within the Klamath Basin watershed. Where do you think the water in Hyatt Lake comes from? There are many tributaries, or streams, that feed into Hyatt Lake. The snowmelt on this side of Mount McLaughlin flows down into the Klamath Basin and makes its way into this lake. Now, think about the watershed you live in. Where does your water come from? In the next video, we get to make our very own model of a watershed and experience how the system works. See you soon.